A new wave of tariffs has been announced, shaking up global trade. US President Donald Trump has taken a bold step, imposing sweeping new import taxes that are set to reshape economic relations worldwide. But what exactly do these tariffs mean? And how will they impact consumers, businesses, and global markets? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the baseline tariff. Starting April 5th, the US will impose a 10% tariff on all imports. That means foreign goods entering the US will now carry an additional cost. This move is aimed at protecting American jobs and industries, but in reality it could mean higher prices for consumers. Some nations will only face this baseline tariff, including the United Kingdom, Singapore, Brazil, Australia, and more. But not all countries are being treated the same. Trump's administration is targeting 60 nations they label as worst offenders. These countries either impose higher tariffs on US goods or engage in practices deemed unfair to American businesses. Here's the breakdown of the hardest-hit countries. The European Union at 20%, China at 54%, Vietnam at 46%, Thailand at 36%, Japan at 24%, Cambodia at 49%, South Africa at 30%, and Taiwan at 32%. Trump argues that these tariffs will level the playing field and prevent other nations from taking advantage of the US. But critics warn that these taxes could escalate into a full-blown trade war. Interestingly, Canada and Mexico won't face additional tariffs this time. Trump's administration states that they've already been addressed in previous actions related to border security and fentanyl trafficking. However, tariffs on these countries still remain at 25% on all goods, with some exceptions. And here's one of the most controversial measures: a whopping 25% tariff on all foreign-made automobiles. This new tax went into effect immediately, meaning imported vehicles just got significantly more expensive. For American consumers, this could mean higher prices at dealerships, and for automakers reliant on global supply chains, the impact could be even bigger. So what happens now? Global markets are reacting, businesses are recalculating their costs, and economists are debating whether these tariffs will bring prosperity or economic turmoil. Will this move truly boost American manufacturing, or will it trigger retaliation from affected nations? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, this is just the beginning of another major trade battle. What are your thoughts on these new tariffs? Will they strengthen the US economy, or will they backfire? Drop your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global events.